Did you know that big companies spend millions making professional ad videos to promote their brands? But here's the secret. If you want, you can offer to create high-quality videos just like the big guys. Look at these ads from top brands. They're some of the most well-known names, and they're creating these amazing ads using AI. It's honestly so satisfying to see how AI can bring such high-quality content to life so effortlessly. That's right. You can approach top brands and tell them, "We can create AI-powered ads for you that cost less but look just as professional." And here's the best part. You don't need expensive cameras, fancy editors, or huge budgets to create these ads. With just a few powerful AI tools, you can produce eye-catching, professional-quality videos faster, easier, and for a fraction of the cost. AI-powered tools have revolutionized the world of video creation, making it more accessible and affordable for anyone to step into the game. Whether it's creating animations, voiceovers, or editing footage, AI makes it simple to put together engaging, high-conversion ad videos that drive results. In fact, AI-generated videos are quickly becoming the go-to for businesses, and the demand is growing fast. Companies are realizing that these tools save time and money while still delivering top-notch content. So here's the opportunity. With the right tools, you can step in and offer video services to businesses at prices they can't ignore. You could create AI-powered ads that help companies reach their target audience, all while giving you the chance to earn a great income in the process. Let's explore how you can turn AI video creation into your next big business move. Step 1. Generate the storyboard. Go to ChatGPT or any advanced AI tool you like and type. Create a storyboard for an ad for an ice cream company. This will give you a sequence of scenes or ideas for your ad. Think of it as the blueprint of your video. Step 2. Turn that storyboard into AI image prompts. Type this in ChatGPT. Based on the video storyboard, create AI image generation prompts for each part of the video. Ensure that all the images follow the sequence of the storyboard. ChatGPT will give you clear image prompts that match the video perfectly. Once the prompts are ready, head to Ideogram or another AI image generator to create the images. Paste the detailed image prompt generated with ChatGPT in the image type and the specific appear to the image. Select 16:9 aspect ratio and click Generate. You can refine your prompt or use tools to adjust specific parts of the image, ensuring that the final output matches your vision. Download them all in the correct sequence. Step 3. Convert images into video. Take your AI-generated images and use a tool like RunwayML, Kber, Halio.oi, or Kling to turn them into a video. After entering to the app, upload the image and pass the image prompt. This will ensure the images are perfectly converting to video as needed. Click on the Generate button. The AI processes the input and creates a short video clip within moments. The generation process incorporates cinematic effects and renders the video in high definition, 1080p. Save the video as sequence and create the other parts as the same way. Step 4. Edit and finalize the ad. If you're a beginner, use CapCut or Canva. They're simple and intuitive. Just drag and drop your clips, add text, transitions, and maybe a jingle or background music. For professional video editing, Adobe Premiere Pro is the ideal choice. It offers powerful tools, precision, and creative flexibility to refine your content and deliver high-quality results efficiently. After editing, the final video is ready. It's complete and can be used for selling on marketplaces with good quality that will attract buyers and meet the platform standards.